Nice, good evening everybody, it's me again, Dave. Just thought I'd try and post another video of me picking the master dimple padlock. As you can see, it's a dimple, it's a 6-pin. Do have a working key. There we go. As you can see, not wrong with that so what I'm going to do, I was going to pick it is using the Southall dimple pick. So let's have a go. Oh, out of focus there, out of shot a bit. Try. It's a bit awkward because I'm doing it on my phone. Yeah, I think I've got it. I think it's gone, just gone. There we go. Come on, here we go. Got the little. Oh, bloody hell! As you can, would help if I didn't drop it. But as you can see, it's being picked. SPP'd. Right, and I think in the last post, Mark asked me about the box. The 3 stars. It is the ABS 3-star, which I've started to have a play with. As you can see, it's picked as well. Well, look, to a certain degree. Also, I'd like to make a mention the forum, which is www.uklocksports.co.uk. It's a great forum. I recommend you visit because there's a great bunch. Okay, bye.